Good morning. We cook our lunch. We sauteed chayote. Do you know chayote vegetables? The one you put also in tinola chicken. Yeah, chayote. And then I put some carrots, sauteed in garlic, onions, and tomatoes, and the crumbled bacon. I sauteed them. Put some soy sauce, salt, and pepper, and a little noodles. I love putting noodles in sauteed vegetables. So we use this one, the crumbled bacon. So this is for my lunch and dinner also. So try it, it's good. You can add more vegetable. If you have mushroom, you can add mushroom. You can add cauliflower. Anything you can add. It's a sauteed vegetables. Okay, yummy, yummy. Bye-bye.